In Wix Harmony, you can do things quickly with the help of its powerful built-in AI, making things easier and more efficient for you. So in today's video, let's learn how to do just that. Go to your Wix Harmony Editor, and here on the page drop down at the top, click on it and hover over the page you want to work on. Then click on the three dot button next to it. From the drop down, go to SEO and accessibility and select SEO. A panel here on the left will open your SEO panel. At the top of it, you should see the Optimize with AI button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on that button, you should see this confirmation here. So out of all the things you need to set up here, 4 AI suggestions were generated. All you have to do now is to review and approve each task. So the first one we have here is to add a focus keyword, which our AI automatically did. So just go ahead and check to see if it matches what you have in mind. If not, you can go ahead and manually edit it. Same goes for all the other suggestions AI did for you. And as you can see, it only ever generated 4 suggestions for optimization. That means there are still things you need to work on. Simply click on them or expand them in order to work on them. And that should do it. Hope you found today's video of help somehow. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next video.